Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group the lights in the Smart Life application so that you can control the multiple smart bulbs together at the same time. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Smart Life application on your phone. Now, when you are inside, you need to make sure that all the smart lights that you want to group are already connected online and added to the same home inside the application. Now you need to tap any of the smart bulbs that you want to include in the group, and inside the light controls you just have to tap on the edit icon or the three dots in the top right hand corner depending on your Smart Life application version. Now when you are inside, you just have to simply tap on the option of create group or group the devices, and then select the smart lights that you want to control together. For example, you can group the bedroom lights, the living room lights, or the ceiling lights into one single control group. After selecting the lights, you just have to tap on the option of save and then give the group a name. So now when you open the group, you can turn all the lights on and off. You will be able to change the brightness, you will be able to adjust the controls, and you will be able to create the scenes for the entire group at the same time instead of controlling each bulb individually. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.